Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
6 count.
Maddie, Peter.
That's correct. So great job, you guys. Here's the footwork that we did. I am the leader, she is the follower. And we did rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Take 2 steps on the rock step. It's always gonna go behind you for right now. Remember, these triple steps are just little scoots. Don't think too hard about them. You can slow down this video if you need to. Number 1 homework is just get that practice of the footwork all by yourself. Do it a whole bunch. If you do it before next week, you'll have an easier time next week. Then we did open position like this. You can do it with 2 hands or with 1. We'll do it with 1 for now. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. We're trying to do it kind of just idling in place. Maybe there's a tiny bit of side to side, but not a lot of movement on the triple steps. When we're here in closed position, it might feel a little bit more like front and back, but again, we're not moving much. Trying to just idle in place. Then we tried our tuck, turn, and change of places. Rock, step, tuck, turn, change of places. We can wander back to each other, and we can try it again. Watch it one more time. It goes rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. We also tried what we call a send out. That was the first thing we did. We'll do that more next week. Just rock, step, I send my partner out. And you keep on dancing, no big deal. Get some practice with that footwork, and we will see you next time.